Welcome to Technical Laboratory channel. Today I am discussing about how to configure RIP timer. RIP uses several timers to regulate its operation. The update interval is the interval at which routes that are learned by RIP are advertised to neighbors. This timer controls the interval between routing updates. There are four type of RIP timers. Number one is update timers. Number two is invalid timers. Number three is hold down timers. Number four is flash timers. So at first, what is update timers? It indicates how often the router will send out a routing table updates. The default value of update timer is 30 seconds. Next one is invalid timers. It indicates how long a route will remain in a routing table before being marked as invalid. If no new updates are heard about this route, the invalid timer will be reset if an update is received for that particular route before the timer expires. The default value of invalid timers is 180 seconds. A route marked as invalid is not immediately removed from the routing table. Instead, the route is marked and advertised with a metric of 16s. Actually, the hop count of RIP is 15s. After 15s, when it occurred 16s, then the invalid timers is on. It indicating it is unreachable and placed in a hold down state. Third one is hold down timer. It indicates how long RIP will suppress a route that it has placed in a hold down state. RIP will not accept any new updates for routes in a hold down state until the hold down timer expires. The default value of hold down timers is 180 seconds. A route will enter a hold down state for one of three reasons. The invalid timer has expired, number one. Next one is an update has been received from another router marking that route with a metric of 16, that is it reaches after 15 hop or unreachable. Third one is an update has been received from another router marking that route with a higher metric than what is currently in the routing table. This is to prevent loops. The last one is flash timers. It indicates how long a route can remain in a routing table before being flashed. If no new updates are heard about this route, the flash timer runs concurrently with the invalid timers and thus will flash out a route 60 seconds after it has been marked invalid. RIP timers must be identical on all routers on the RIP network, otherwise massive instability will occur. The default value of flash timer is 224 seconds. The configuration code of RIP timers is router RIP. Next line is timers basic. The four values of four timers. First one is update timers value in second. Next one is invalid timers in second. Third one is hold down timer 180 seconds and fourth one is flash timers. How to return its basic timers? The configuration code is router RIP. Next line is no timers basics. Let's start the simulation in Cisco Packet Tracer 7.0.